guys, welcome. My name is MagdalineJanet and welcome to my channel. Today I am showing you how to do this copper eyeliner that I concocted a few days ago, and I really wanted to show you guys how I do it. I know eyeliner is really hard. It's hard for me. It's so difficult, but I feel like I finally am confident enough to show you guys how I do eyeliner. I wanted to give you guys a quick reminder. I upload 2 to 3 times a week. I'm pretty much always on. I really love interacting with you and I appreciate all the comments you guys send over. And yeah, if you're interested in watching how I get this copper eyeliner, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let's get this video started. Good morning, guys. It is what time is it? It is 6:30 in the morning and me and my carrot juice are ready to attack this eyeliner. First step of attacking eyeliner, you want to have these two ready and available. You can find this micellar water in any drugstore and even discount stores. I bought it at a drugstore for full price, and then I went to like Big Lots, the 99-cent store, the dollar store, and they have these for $1. So this is so helpful when it comes to eyeliner. And the Q-tip is perfect because it's a small tip where you can reach the really small areas that are around your eye. So those are the first things I recommend to always have. Next, I'm gonna go in with this Bang Beauty brown eyeliner and this Inglot 31T eyeliner brush. I prefer actual brushes than these tips right here and felt tip pens. They don't work for me too well, and I already struggle a lot with eyeliner, so I really figured out a way that brushes like this just can control it more, because sometimes eyeliner is just gonna take over your life and your morning, and you need to take her by the and tell her who's boss. You know what I mean? I used to use a brush like this, and it did help for a while, but I felt like this part was too flimsy. But you'll find a way that works for you. I got this eyeliner from my BoxyCharm August box, and I'm just gonna start to say this is not the best eyeliner, but I was kind of able to finagle and make it work. So I know Inglot has a gel liner that's brown, Inglot gel liners, and they work perfectly. However, I love this liquid Wet n Wild Mega liner, but I use it for the topper, and that's already when I'm done with everything, and it's just easy to like. Okay, so now I coat my brush, and then I'm gonna put most of it on my hand, right, like this, and at the same time make my brush even flatter than what it is. So I'll start with my finger here. You don't want to pull because it's gonna wrinkle up your eyes, and if you stretch your eye and put the eyeliner on, once you remove your finger, you're gonna have wrinkly eyeliner. You don't want to stretch anything out. So as we start, we're gonna start right here where our lower lash line is and make a line. Then you want to go over and literally bringing it over. Working in short motions really helps. Dipping back into my hand because I have a bunch of leftover there. You want to just keep going. And then here towards the front, you want to start thinning it out. But let's just fix a little bit up here. Dipping back in again, and we're gonna start winging it out. And what I try to do is just a triangle shape. Because it's just not as thin as I'd like it to be, I'm just gonna thin it out with the micellar water and the Q-tip. And that's how the wing looks right now. When I look down, I like the line to look straight. to be straight and not curved. And like I said, I don't recommend this particular eyeliner because it crumbed up a lot. We're gonna cover up with the copper color, so we're fixing it that way. But would I recommend this eyeliner? No. No. Flattening your brush is key to doing the sharp lines. Want to make sure the tails look the same, and then you bring it back up. And also, I feel like brown eyeliner is a lot more forgiving than black eyeliner. So if you're very new to this, maybe start with brown and see how it goes, and then work your way with black. Because black, the moment you mess up, you could just bam, see it? A lot of times I catch myself messing up the tip. So what you can do if you mess up the tip, just wipe it off and restart the tip instead of restarting everything else, which has happened to me where I think it's the whole eye, but it's just the tip, you know? And the tip also, you want to be gentle. Don't be too rough because you're creating a nice pointed tip. Just cleaning it off with a paper towel. Okay, you're removing all the product, but it's still flat. Now, this is where the copper comes in. I'm gonna use my oh-so favorite palette these days, and we're gonna use this copper color right here. Coating both sides, you're just gonna wanna start adding the color. And because you already have the line, it's just so much easier, and you see the difference, it's darker also. And any copper color will work. Whatever you have in your arsenal, your makeup kit will definitely work. I'm gonna go put the rest of my face on and I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. I combed my hair, I put the rest of my face on, and this is the final look of how I achieve this copper eyeliner. You guys, don't forget to always have this micellar water on deck, or any sort of makeup remover water, because it's so helpful when you just dip the Q-tip in and clean it off. I promise you it'll make the job 10 times easier. Don't forget to grab the eyeliner by the balls, because she knows when you're scared, and you just have to grab her and get her on that eyelid, okay? So those are my tips. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye! Just move all this stuff. And forgive me, my hair looks a little crazy, but you know, it's the morning time, so I'll get it together soon. The trash man's here, guys, so if you hear that noise, it's them. Sorry. I'm in the groove right now. I can't turn the camera off. You know what I mean? Shoot, where'd it go? This one's still a little thicker.